Good morning and Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? I hope you will be fine at your homes. Students, today we are discussing this topic simple past tense. Okay, so what is the definition or identification of the simple past tense? The simple past tense indicates an action that began and ended in the past. The past tense of regular verb is formed by adding ed to the end of the base verb. Okay, so student, base verb means for example like eat, drink and jump. These are the base verb form. So with the base verb form we will add ed. Okay students, first of all we will see the structure of the positive sentences. So first of all we will write the subject, he, she, it, I, we, they and you. Then we will write the second form of the verb and then object. Sometimes we have object in our sentences and sometimes we didn't have object. Okay, but second form is must. So for example student, you can see here she is the subject and play is the first form of the verb, and we add ed in the end to make it second form of verb. Okay, so she played and this is the object cricket. Let's see some more examples. Okay students, you can see here some more examples. Okay, I underlined here the dog barked at the mailman. This is the second form of the verb we use over here. Okay, bark is the first form and we add ed with the base verb, so it became the second form of the verb. And the second one is I cleaned my room. Okay student, here again I add ed in the end of the clean, so this is the second form of verb. So I cleaned my room, I folded the laundry, she mopped the floor and I worked hard. So all these underlined verbs are, we use here the second form of the verb. Okay, these are the examples of simple positive sentences. So in all these sentences the verbs are in the past tense. In order to show that we have already done something, we add the letters ed to the end of a verb. Okay students, look at some more examples. She sang a song. Student, you can see here this girl is singing song, and but she sang a song. Okay, because this is the past. In past she sang a song, so we tried the second form of verb over here. This is the subject according to the formula of past tense. So she is the subject, sang is the second form of verb, the first form of sang is sing. So she is the subject, sang is a verb, second form of verb, and song is an object. She sang a song. Okay students, in the same way there is another example. First of all, you can see in the sentence he is the subject and then wrote. Students, what is wrote? Wrote is the first form of write. So as you know that we have to use the second form of verb in the past indefinite tense. So write is the first form and we choose the second one, wrote. Wrote is the second form which we apply in the past indefinite tense. So this is a positive sentence. Simply we write subject, then second form of verb, and then a book is object. He wrote a book. Okay students, this is a formula of negative sentences structure. So first of all we write here subject and then did not, then we will add first form of the verb and then object. Student, you can see in the positive structure again we will write the subject, then we will not write second form of verb in the negative sentences. To make the negative sentences, this is a helping verb. Okay, and we write the we use did not in with every subject. Okay, with he, she, it, I, we, they and you, with every subject we write only did not. Okay, it's very easy. So then after did not we will write the first form of verb, because we use here the second form, so we will not use in the verb second form of the verb over here. Okay, as we use in the positive structure. Okay, because did is the second form of do. We already make the second form over here in helping verb, so here we will write the first form of verb and then object. Let's see some examples. We did not play cricket. We is the subject, did not is the helping verb, then verb, first form of verb, and then object. Okay students, look at some more examples. Okay, as I told you that in some sentences are very short, okay, and sometimes we did not use object, but it doesn't mean that this is not the past indefinite tense. So sometime, but what is necessary in what is important, that is did not, okay, in the negative sentences. That is first one, I did not read. We write the subject, then we write the helping verb, and then the first form of the verb, okay. In the same way, students, there is another example. Bui is the subject, did not is the helping verb, and sing is the verb. Okay, students, now move to the interrogative sentences. What is the structure, or you can say the formula of the interrogative sentences? So first of all, we will write the helping verb. You see the helping verb. So we will write the helping verb here. In the past indefinite tense, there is only one helping verb, did, okay. So there is no confusion. We will use did with every subject, with each subject, with I, we, they, you, he, and she, and it, okay. We will use did. So first of all, we will write did, then subject, then first form of verb, and then object, okay. Examples are did,